Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on Tutorials Point. In today's video, I'm going to teach you some easy steps on how you can download and log into the Zara app. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up the PlayStore app. After the home page of the PlayStore app opens up on your screen, on the top of your screen you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on the search bar, type in ZARA and hit search. After the Zara app pops up on your screen, click on the install button which is located on the top right corner of your screen. After the Zara app is completely downloaded and installed on your device, open it up. After the home page of the Zara app opens up on your screen, on the bottom right corner of your screen, you'll see the profile option. Go ahead and tap on it. Once you tap on the profile option, a menu will appear on your screen. On that menu, click on the login option. So once you click on the login option, you'll be guided to another page. In this page, you'll have to fill in some credentials. You'll have to fill in your email address here, your password here, and then click on the login button. Once you click on the login button, and if you have filled in those credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged into the Zara app. I hope this video helped you to log into the Zara app. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.